Today on Favored by Odin, we're doing part 4 of our series from FreeCodeCamp. This is the JavaScript algorithms and data structures course, and we're working on the basic JavaScript module. Today, as usual, we're doing 5 lessons. We're going to learn how to decrement a number, create decimals, multiply decimals, divide decimals, and find a remainder in JavaScript, which, to be honest, is super easy. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to get notifications of all my newest content. You guys don't want to miss any of it. Let's get to it. So in lesson number 1, we're going to decrement a number. It's very easy to do with the double negative operator right here. And basically what that does is just, it decreases a variable. So if we were to go I minus minus semicolon, that would be the equivalent of I equals I minus 1. So what we want to do in this one is we want to change the 1 and the myvar section to just minus minus. And then we're going to get rid of the 1, and we got a semicolon, and we're going to give that a test, and look at that, we win. I'm recording myself. So lesson number 2 is creating decimal numbers in JavaScript, and they're also sometimes called floating points or floats. When it comes to decimal points in JavaScript, though, you have to make sure that you're putting it in or you're figuring out what you want your result to be beforehand, because JavaScript is very finite and it's going to be very precise. And so if you're having problems with this, please just go to the FreeCodeCamp forum and throw a post in there, and somebody will help you out. So our task in this challenge is to create a variable, myDecimal, and give it a decimal value with a fraction part. Just like we see up here, 5.7, that's a fraction part. So we're going to go, we're basically just going to steal what they've got here and change this to my, because who likes to actually do work? And we're going to throw 8 in there instead of 7 just to make it different. And let's check if that works. Seeing as FreeCodeCamp is completely free and fantastic, completely awesome stuff. So if you can donate, please hit that donate button. In lesson number 3, we're multiplying 2 decimals with JavaScript. This is really quite easy. All we have to do is change the number over here so that the equation equals 5. We're just going to change this part here to 2.5, and that should give us an equation equaling 5, and there we go, boom, just like that. Just a quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, me. Thanks, me. So in lesson number 4, we're just going to divide one decimal by another. 4.4 divided by 2 would be equal to 2.2. So let's try 4.4 and see if that gives us our answer, and fantastic. So in lesson number 5, we're finding a remainder in JavaScript. This is very useful when you want to figure out if a number is even or odd. And so that's like what its main purpose is. Obviously it'll serve other purposes, but that's the main purpose of the remainder function. So we have an operator, it's the percent symbol. And so the way that works is if you put 5% 2, you have a remainder of 1. Our task in this lesson is to set the remainder equal to the remainder of 11 divided by 3, and we're going to use the remainder operator, which is the percent button. So very simple, 11 with remainder operator 3, and check that code, and it all checks out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really enjoying doing this series with you guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please put them in the comments below. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps. We're going to learn how to decrement a number. We're going to learn how to create a decimal. We're going to learn so lesson number